You were probably wondering what is going on with all these clothes. This pile is from my latest Stitch Fix box, which I'm not sure if I'll order another box. We'll see. I have until August 8th when my Style Pass expires, so we'll see. But I'm going to take the Stitch Fix clothes, items from my closet, and make outfits out of them and share those with you. But before we get started, I want to show you this dress I have on. This is so cute. I saw this on my daughter at an event we went to, and I said, where did you get that cute dress? She said, Amazon. I'm like, okay. She sent me the link. I ordered, this one is carbon gray. I'm wearing a size medium. It's $23.99. It comes in sizes small to extra, extra large. It is not lined, but it has the pockets. It defines your waist, but it's not too tight. I do not have shapewear on, and I'm sucking it in. So the front is a little bit longer than the back, and when I put it on the hanger, I have the same issues. So I'm going to exchange this for another one. And if it fits the same, I'm going to keep it because you can't beat it for $23.99. Some of the feedback on Amazon's website said the armholes are a little big. They are a little bit, but you don't see them from the sleeves. So for me, this is a keeper. I am going to buy, let's see, a pair of bike shorts or something to wear underneath it. So you don't have to worry. It's kind of like almost like wearing a skirt, but you have a dress. Love this. I'm not sure if I told you, it is not lined. It is 65% polyester, 30% viscose, and 5% elastane. Is that right? Is that how you say it? It's stretchy. So I really like this, and I like this color. Okay, let me know what you think of the dress. And if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link below for you. All right, let's get started on the Stitch Fix. Okay, I have the first Stitch Fix dress on, but before I show you the dress and how I styled it, let me tell you about the Stitch Fix math. Okay, my entire box, 5 items, total is $285. If I keep all 5 items, I receive a 25% discount, which is $71.25. And I didn't pay a style fee of $20 because I have the Style Pass. So my total order is $213.75 if I keep all 5 items. So it's a really good box. There's a couple that I'm on the fence about, and there's a few items on here that I really like, which the first item is this dress. So I'm going to show you the dress just here with you, and then I'm going to show you the dress the way that I styled it earlier. So it's really pretty. I've already received the same dress before, but I think it was black, and everyone said that it looked like a waitress uniform or a nurse's uniform or some type of uniform. So I actually returned it, and she sent me the red one. And I think she might have sized down because I'm wearing a size 8. This dress is $69. Wearing a size 8. It's 76% rayon, 21% nylon, and 2% spandex, which is very stretchy, and it is machine washable. This one is $69. The dress I just showed you from Amazon is $23.99. But 2 very totally different dresses. This one is thicker material. I'm not going to need to wear shapewear underneath this dress, but I will in the previous dress. So here's the red dress. It's got the pockets up here. It's a back zip, cap sleeves, which I like. They kind of cut in a little bit, but I like the shape of this dress because I'm more hippie. But I think it's really cute. So what I did is I styled it first with my cut from the cloth denim jacket. It's a frayed bottom jacket, and it is actually still available on Amazon for $89, and Nordstrom also has it for $89 at the time of filming. I will leave links for everything that I can down below if you're interested in taking a look. But you know, I really like it, and I like it with my New Balance gym shoes. So that's the first look. And then The second look, I actually went through my closet and I found this white button down cardigan. Okay, this is actually from Stitch Fix, and if I can find a link for it, I will share it, but I've had it for a while. It still had the tags on it. That's why I don't buy anything that, unless I absolutely love it, but it still has the tags on it. So this is by 41 Hawthorne, and I am wearing it with my heels, one of my favorite pairs of heels from Ann Taylor. I'm not sure if they still offer those, but if you have bunions, it gives you a little bit more room in that area. And for me, they are comfortable. I'm a high heel girl, what can I say? Okay, now the last outfit, I paired it with, because I wanted to see how versatile this dress will be for $69. So I paired it with, I love, love, love this jacket. This is by Nick and Zoe. I found it for $82. If it's still available again, I will leave it linked. This is the best kind of sweater jacket. It's a knit jacket. Love, love, love it. So if I can link it, I will. And then, so you got 3 different looks, and I wore my heels with it. Now I know somebody's gonna ask me, can we see it with a white jacket? Well, I didn't film with a white jacket. This is my jacket from Talbots. So I don't have any shoes on, I just have some socks on. So here it is. It kind of crinkles up here. Here it is with a white jacket. That works too. You could wear gym shoes with it, sandals. I don't normally wear sandals, unless I wear a wedge. But this is the red dress. I'm definitely going to keep this dress. My husband loves it. I like the fit. I like that it's a color. They call it red. My husband said it looks orange. I'm like, well, it's red, but I guess it's like an orangish red. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to show you a dress that I bought at the Nordstrom sale, and to see the comparison with the 3 dresses and get your feedback on that. How cute is this? I know it's a print. I know. Barbara normally doesn't wear prints. I know what you're saying. There was something about this dress that I was drawn to. I was in the dressing room at Nordstrom. I bought this during the Nordstrom sale. I tried a bunch of dresses on, didn't buy anything, put them all in the rack, saw this one hanging there, and I'm like, okay, let me try it. It's a size 6. I normally wear an 8. I'm like, oh, that's not gonna fit. But it's flowy. My husband said, don't you need a belt or something with that? I'm like, no, this is the way you're supposed, this is the style, this is the way you wear it. He's like, oh, okay. He's just not used to seeing me wearing things this flowy, and especially not print. So I tried it on, I'm like, I really like this dress. Surprise, surprise. It's regular, it's by Eliza J. It's regular $138. I paid $84.99 during the anniversary sale. It is lined. And it's tiered. So it's got a panel here, and then a second panel, and then the ruffle on the bottom. Let's see, what else? It does have a tie, so you could tie it, but I would not tie it. The sleeves are a tiered little ruffle, which I like. There's no zipper. There might be one. I should check the inside. I don't think there's one on the inside, a hidden one either. There's not one in the back, but as flowy as it is, it goes right over my head. This is a navy and teal color. It's so cute. I'm surprised. I really like it. 100% polyester, but it feels nice. It's not that crepey polyester. And I thought, okay, what kind of jacket will I wear with this? So I love my Nick and Zoe knit blazer. All right. Oh, this has pockets. I'm not sure if I told you that. Yeah, I think that would work. That's great. Love it. I think I just talked myself into keeping this. So that's one item I got from Nordstrom sale. I will be showing you one more item from Nordstrom sale in this try on with you. I bought a pair of jeans from Wit and Wisdom. I don't know what was wrong with them, but they were like 6 inches too long. I'm returning those. But anyways, all right, what's next? Okay, I'm gonna show you the next two pieces, and then I'm gonna show you how I styled them. At first, I'm like, I don't know. But then when I styled it, I'm like, oh, that's kind of cute. So let me back up, show you the top and the jeans. So I have the top, and I'll tell you more about it. And the jeans are high rise with a flare bottom. The shirt comes out, has a little slit on each side. Of course, I'm wearing one of my favorite pair of shoes from Ann Taylor. I love, love, love these. These, I mean, I probably had these over 10 years and I still wear them. All right, so let me tell you about the top. The top is lyocell material, 100%. It's really soft, has the pocket, as you can see, a V-neck. It's just a pullover. It fits kind of loose. The color is, they call it a light blue, but I don't really call this a blue. I don't know what color this is. They call it a light blue. It kind of looks like a bluish green maybe in real life, but it's cute. I'd rather have some type of sleeve. Let's see, I'm wearing a size medium. It's $39. Okay, let me show you the jeans. The jeans are by Studio Blue. I'm wearing a size 10. They're $69. They're called the Avery Frayed high rise flare jeans. I think they're kind of cute. They're in an off-white. I don't know, there's something about these jeans that I really like. I think it's the flared leg and the fray bottom. It's got the pockets in the front, you know, typical jean material. So, let's see, did I tell you I'm wearing a size 10? They're $69. They have a lot of stretch, 93% cotton, so they're probably gonna shrink. 5% polyester and 2% spandex, but it feels like it's like got a ton of spandex in them because they're really stretchy. So what I did is I paired it with, I styled it with a jacket that I bought from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It is cut from the Kloth. It's a cream corduroy jacket, size medium, regular $109, and I paid $72.99 for it. I think it really adds to puts the whole look together with the jacket. I think it looks good. I don't know, what do you guys think? All right, so the jacket, it has these brown buttons, pockets on top, none on the side, but I like how it has the stitching to give you that shape, which is what I like to wear. So it has the stitching in the front, it has it in the back, a little puff sleeve. It is, I don't know if I told you, it's corduroy. It has the buttons, working buttons on the sleeve, has 3 on each side. I like to roll them up. Has a collar. I don't know. I almost returned this jacket. I'm like, what am I going to wear that with? I love it. So I don't know. What do you guys think of this outfit? All right, one more outfit. Okay, I have the last 2 items to show you, and I did pair them, or I styled them, I should say, with 2 different jackets. So I want to show you the items first, and then I'll show you how I styled them. First, I have on this Gilly. It's called a Sweetheart Neck Fitted Knit Tank. It's 92% rayon, 8% spandex. I'm wearing a size medium. It is $39. The color is magenta. So it's cute. It's cute. I'd rather have a little more of a sleeve, but I love the neckline on this. All right, the jeans. The jeans are from Just USA. They are the Owen High Rise Flare, and I turned them up because they are so long, like very long. I'm wearing a size 10. They're $69. And let's see, the jeans are 67.7% cotton, 24% modal, 7% of something called a T400, and 1.3% of, oh, I didn't write it down. Something else. I'll put it in the description. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I styled it with my white denim jacket from Talbots. The jacket is a size small, and my belt is from, can't remember where the belt's from. I mean, I know where it's from, but the store is just slipping my mind. But anyway, so I like it with the white jacket. I think it looks good. But then, of course, my favorite denim jacket cut from the cloth. I styled it with that also, and that's probably my absolute favorite jacket cut from the cloth. So what do you guys think? I think overall it's a really good fix. I think my least favorite item is what they call light blue shirt. Actually, it's in the other room. I don't know. I don't know if it's a 5 for 5. I don't know if it's worth the investment to have the jeans shrunk, because I mean, they're $69. They seem to fit well. I'll have to look back at the video. I think I'm gonna keep the cream pants. There's something about those that I really like. And I'm gonna keep the red dress. So I don't know. Maybe I will keep this because I can, as long as I can cover my arms. It's just, you know, when you sit down, this poochie just pops out. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna have to think about it, and I look forward to your feedback. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.